Is a Maximator hydraulic power pack. Basically, this power pack we are using for gearbox maintenance. This power pack consists of a Maximator high pressure pump. This is an air driven pump. It requires a compressor to run. In this power pack, we have provided a 30-liter hydraulic tank. In this hydraulic tank, we are filling a hydraulic oil from grade 46 to grade 68 from this port. This is the oil filling port. Now, again we have provided a compressor supply to this drive. This power pack needs 3 to 4 bar, let's say maximum 4 bar air supply. This power pack capable to generate maximum 3000 bar at the outlet. We have provided these 3 outlet isolation walls. These 3 walls we have provided as a purpose, like some gearboxes having only 2 outlet ports or only 2 input ports where we have to apply the pressure. So you need to close this wall, open only these 2 walls to supply a pressure to the gearbox. Some gearboxes having a 3 input ports, so these 3 lines connection you need. So in that case, we will open all these 3. And in some cases, you need only 1 supply, so these 2 will remain closed. Apart from that, this is a high pressure gauge we have provided at the outlet. In that, we will see what the pressure pump is generating. Again, there is a pump release valve, or pressure release valve, or pressure bleed valve. From this valve, we will bleed or we will release the generated pressure. So now, we will see the operation of this pump. So first of all, we need to connect these 3 hoses from system outlet to our gearbox side. So this is the second end of this hose. We need to connect this at the gearbox end. Okay. So after connecting all these hoses, we need to open this valve. Depending on the input, how many inputs you need. If you need 2, so just only open 2. If you need 3, open all 3. Now, then just make it on. Now it is in off condition. Just make it on. Just regulate the air pressure supply. Slowly regulate the air pressure supply. Let's say 0.5 bar. So now, in that situation, pump will take continuous strokes. Leave the pump to make few strokes, say 30 seconds. And after that, just close this release valve. Just close this valve. So, as soon as you will close this valve, pressure will start generating. At the moment, there is no volume, so pressure builds very fast. But depends if there is a volume at the outlet side, so pressure will take little bit time to increase. So now, depending on the outlet pressure, you just regulate this drive air supply, so outlet pressure will increase. So according to your requirement, just regulate this supply. So now we have reached till 2800 bar. So after reaching your desired pressure, just close this valve. Just release the air pressure and make it 0. Okay. If you need to release this line pressure, just open this vent valve or bleed valve. Just open this vent valve or bleed valve. Then the pressure will decrease and will go return to tank. So now this is the simple operation of this Maximator unit. So again, if you need to increase the pressure, then again just start the pump, just regulate this valve, regulate this regulator. Then after making few strokes, just close this. Now I have closed vent valve, now pressure has generated. Now I need 2500 bar, so I will just increase this regulator, drive regulator. So now we have reached 2500 bar. You can see here, we have reached 2500 bar pressure. So now again I will just close this valve I will just make it 0, then I will just open this. So now my pressure has released. So this is a simple operation of Maximator make hydraulic power pack. We can use this power pack for different applications. So simple design, simple construction. Thank you.